you saw the title, you know why you are here. So you are here to resolve this error, and I'm here to help you out. BTRFS replay log, blah, 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 failed is not, failed to recover log tree. Sadly, I am unable to reproduce this locally. I don't have any means to reproduce this on my test machines. This is regarding the BTRFS file system, of course, and this is how you fix it. I am unable to reproduce this right now, but this is how you do it. So you just try to boot this in some sort of separate ISO. So just boot from your live CD, for example, of your Fedora or whatever distribution you have in this error. I believe this is being caused specifically on Fedora at this moment. So boot with your live CD, your live USB, so you can get a workable machine going. You can try the boot rescue grub option on your grub, so you can boot as rescue to see if it works for you. If it does, fine, do it there. If it not, boot into a live CD, quote unquote live CD. Find the device that has a root FS, your root file system, and as root do that command BTRFS rescue 0 log, and in the end the device is just found as being your root FS. Dev STA1, Dev STB1, whatever the case may be, NVMe. So boot in some working environment with your live CD, for example. Get the storage device name /dev/st1 /dev/nvme1, whatever the device is, the partition is. Then as root do BTRFS rescue 0 log. This will fix things for you, reboot, and you should be fine. So boot into some sort of live CD or something of that sort, or try to the grub rescue thingamajiggy in your boot and do the fixes. Let me know how it went. I really hope this fixes this issue for you. I hope this makes your day better. Like, subscribe, and comment. It really helps. And I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.